Hello tech lovers, today's video is on JC-801 mini drone. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Drones are being an inseparable part of some of us. But there are different types of drones. Each of the category is different from other. Different type of drone is needed for different reasons. One the kind is mini drone. In mini drone, there is a budget drone kind. Today we will discuss about a budget mini drone. We will discuss about its features, pros, cons, quality, and whether you should buy it or not. So, let's start the informative video. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. This drone is 27 by 27 by 10 centimeters. It has high value, attractive appearance of 3 color variations. It has gray, white, and red variation. With the protective barrier, color variation, and a premium look, I must say it has a great design. Though they claim that it has 4K film camera, but we all know that in this price range, genuine 4K is nearly impossible. But it has great high-definition camera quality. It can show better highlight and shadow details. The camera has 30-degree manual adjustment. It has removable lithium battery. It is equipped with a large capacity lithium battery, powerful and energy-saving. The battery life can be up to about 25 minutes. And these 25 minutes are enough to provide you lots of memorable moments. Because of being easily removable, you can also use spare batteries to have more fun. Now it is time to discuss various functions of JC-801 mini drone. It has high-definition video transmission that lets the operator watch beautiful view from high in the sky. Having high-definition image transmission advanced Wi-Fi technology, you will have real-time viewing of aerial photography image. You will be able to experience the vision of migratory birds. Smart hovering system is necessary in every drone. Smart hovering is searched by most of the drone operators because it can give some smooth and relaxing clips, and it can also give some precious relaxation to the operator. This product has smart hovering, and its smart hovering effectively allows the aircraft to keep it steady during the flight. Its anti-shake function prevents blurry aerial photography too. The altitude is automatically calculated during the flight. It can automatically maintain a stable hover both indoors and outdoors. The Smart is so easy that anyone can operate it. It has aerodynamic streamlined design. Aerodynamic design is very good in design, and it is especially great for drones. It helps you to have smooth flying experience. Its streamlined body design, smooth lines are great. The shape is novel, strictly referring to aerodynamics. Sometimes the direction of the drone and direction of operator makes the operators confused. Especially the beginners get twisted by this directional thing. Headless mode is for them who finds it difficult to understand the directional thing. Turn on headless mode during flight. No need to recognize the direction. Having headless mode in this drone, no need to distinguish flying in headless mode. Direction. It is easier for novices to fly. Gesture photo is often searched by beginner flyers. At the same time, it is very helpful to professionals too. It makes the photo and video capturing process easy as pie. With this drone, you can make gestures and easily take pictures. During the flight, aim at the drone camera, and the corresponding gestures are enough to take pictures or videos. Using advanced recognition technology, you can make a gesture, and the aircraft will automatically take pictures or videos after 3 seconds after recognizing the gesture. It is without a doubt more convenient and fun. Everybody loves beauty. Beautifulness is a standard in our world, and we have stereotyped beauty. Whatever, this drone has an automatic beauty shooting feature. The drone comes with a beauty filter function, and the post-shooting stage is done in one go. It can bring you a better photography experience. As I always say, trajectory flight is a fun feature, and it makes our flying job easy. We can just swipe simply with our fingers and make some waypoint, and the drone will fly according to those waypoints. It is very useful feature, and most of the drone operators loves this feature. You have to draw the waypoints of the flight path on the app. The intelligence is without a doubt more interesting. One key features are really helpful. They play some very important role in some specific situations. especially in emergency situations. One key return plays an important role in emergency situations. They help by making emergency return in emergency situations. In this drone, you will get variety types of one key features through the remote control function. No cumbersome manipulation, and these are easy for novices. Get started and learn to fly in 1 minute. 360-degree roll is an all-time favorite feature. It is very fun and enjoyable. It brings pleasant moments. It is fun to perform 360-degree roll. And it is also fun to watch the clips that you take at the time of rolling. During the flight, you can use the remote control to easily achieve this 360-degree aerial stunt roll action. It is fun and more interesting. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. The pros are HD video transmission, great design, budget-friendly, powerful. The cons are no obstacle avoidance, portability could be increased. After knowing all these features, qualities, pros and cons, and other information, we can reach to a decision that, as a budget mini drone, it is great. If you want a budget mini drone, you can buy this one. But if you are searching for a true professional drone, then you should search another drones. But they are way expensive than these drones. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.